Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have come up with a home remedy. This is very useful for all age group with no any side effects. Next, my daughter will give further information.
Friends, are you suffering from cold cough? Don't worry, I'm here to solve your problems. This is Ajwain plant. This helps us to cure cold and cough. Take 2 leaves and wash it thoroughly and put little salt and fold it. Squish it. You have a juice. Have it directly. Continue for 3 days, twice a day. Friends, there is no any side effects. Morning in the empty stomach, night after the dinner. Say goodbye to cold and cough. I hope you got it. If you like my health tip, share, subscribe and like my channel.